First of all, everyone happy Women's Day, and it feels really good and very proud to be a woman. And I think girls have become very equal in the Maripala. It's not like before where men are higher than the women. And I think you should take that opportunity. And I wish them all the great success, and I hope the women become really, really famous in everything that they do.
Real fun to be, especially in the sets. I hear that you whistle very well.
I don't whistle at all. It's a lie. I scream very loudly. That's right.
So maybe we should hear you scream.
You're going to take up my life, aren't you?
Woohoo! There you go. So Varu, big movie coming up. So tell us more about that.
Well, the movie's been coming up for the last 4 years. I know everybody's tired of hearing about the movie, so am I. But having said that, the movie is almost finished, and we have about 2 songs left, which is we're going to shoot on 20th to Macau, and hopefully we'll see you soon.
Okay. Varu, I have a very big gift to give away. Actually, lots of gifts. So can someone come forward and lift Varu for me?
Wow!
I dare you. If one of you can come forward and lift her.
Come on.
1, 2, come on, 3. You ready? Oh my God! Here we go.
Come on.
Woohoo! I thought you'd carry her in arms and walk around.
Yeah, of course.
Please give her this award.
Congratulations, you're strong.
Which gym do you go to?
You should, You're stronger than that.
Olympics is not far behind. Thank you, ma'am. What's your name?
Kathy.
Kathy. Big round of applause for Kathy. Some guts. Well, what is the sign of being a good Indian woman?
You're asking the wrong person.
Okay. The one who really loves her husband a lot. So any lady out here carrying a picture of her husband, boyfriend in the wallet? Anyone? Mobile and not waste. Picture.
Fiancé.
What love? Fiancé. क्या प्यार है? दिल तो पागल है. Okay, give me the dabba. This one's for you. Thank you. Give it a big round of applause. So much of love. Okay, the next thing about good Indian women is the fact that they wear the sindoor. You think anyone here in the audience will be wearing a sindoor?
I can see one lady.
And I think you should come forward. Sindoor, Bharatiya Nari, please come. Big round of applause.
There you go, classic Indian lady, there you go. I don't do the classic Indian thing though. See, she speaks different. There's no Indian woman, I'm telling you. We've all changed. Well, that would be a lot of the stereotyping, but yeah, I'm a lawyer and I work for the Andhra Pradesh.
Be careful. They're very careful. So I will give you the gift. Gift. Super. Thank you so much. The cute thing that women do on Women's Day, they wear identical clothes. Yes or no? Yes or no? So anybody else in white closer to the shade of white cream also will forgive. Even if it's a white dupatta, it's okay. Come. See? Arey yaar. You're not that strict. White dupatta, white pajama, white chappal. Come. Lots and lots of gifts to give away. Even white sparkling teeth, you can. 10 on 10. Varu, 1 voucher each for them. Give them a big round of applause. Come on, girls. Nobody has a BlackBerry? There you go. See? I knew it. Should we? I don't know. BlackBerries, what the hell? So all the BlackBerries come forward. BlackBerries, please. We're the BlackBerry girls.
See, I told you that they lost.
Oh my God, there are some rich women here. Thank you. We want to keep looking for this Adarsh Bhartiya Nari. Anyone with Mallipu, flowers? Really? Wow. Oh, lovely. Lovely, Kodama.
I thought Mallipu was a lost cause.
Of course not.
Big hand, girls, please. Come on. Nobody else.
How many tattoos do you have, Haru? So I'm not going to ask you where it is. I'm just asking how many tattoos.
5.
5 tattoos. Can anyone beat that score? 5?
Nobody.
There's this silence here. So, okay, 2 tattoos?
We have one.
Come here, Lone Star. Where are you? 1 tattoo. Girl with the dragon tattoo. Come forward. Ooh, she doesn't look like the one wearing a tattoo.
It's always a misconception that the wild ones get tattoos. It's not true.
So you're saying she's wild?
Could be. Why not?
Oh, lovely. What is that?
It's a butterfly on an ivy. It's a butterfly on an ivy leaf. That's it.
Why? Any particular reason?
No, I mean, it's a sign of, growing, prosperity, growth, flying, That's it.
Okay, she's a butterfly. For all the pain you went through at that time, the reward is a bit late. Congratulations. Varu. So,
Every time you say Varu, I'm scared because you're going to ask me something really bad. So tell me. Ask, shoot.
okay. So anyone here, all the ladies here, if any of you could come forward, I'm sure you know Vidya Balan won the national award. So if anybody can come and sing anything from Dirty Picture for me, that'd be great. Big prizes, ladies.
Nobody can sing, come on. We have lawyers, we don't have singers. Nobody wants to sing.
There's a reality show on television every single day, no?
Really?
Where there are people who come and sing.
Yeah. See, come on. There we go.
Arre wah. This reminds me of school. Inter-school competition. Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, tu hai meri fantasy. Ooh la la, sunana, 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 tu hai meri fantasy.
What?
How are they saying your fantasy and all, yeah?
I don't know what to do. Oh my god.
Right, okay. Thank you so much, ladies. I'm sorry we've run out of gifts. Don't hate me. But come here, I have a big surprise for you. What movie do you think is going to play right now? Arey yaar. Patience.
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah. We take a vote now?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, how many of you said Kahani? Raise your hands.
How are they so sure?
Wait. This gets interesting, Varu.
Iron Lady. Nice.
Okay, how many of you think it's the Iron Lady?
I think we're just, figuring it out as women say and women-oriented movies. Clever girls.
It is.
Should we say it? Should we say it or should we say it? Kahani only, girls.
Varu, we have a special gift for you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And box of chocolates. I thought they were for me, but
I think you should take them though.
come on, girls, for being such a sweet host.
Thank you. Have a great Women's Day and enjoy your movies.
Maybe you should leave us.
You're not asking like this. What?
Come on, Varu.
Okay, like the title of the movie, I say Poda to him and he says Podi to me. That's the dialogue. See?
Thank you so much, Varu. Thank you so much, ladies. Have a great time.